then you also want to make sure that you're engaging in detailed review. A lot of times it's too easy to take exam after exam, measure your results, be happy or sad about how you did, then move on to the next timed exam. But that is a waste of material. The benefit of doing a timed exam is not simply to measure yourself, because what's the point of that? It wasn't the real thing anyway. The benefit of doing timed work is to ID your weak areas, see what problems you're getting wrong, see what problems you're having difficulty with, and then focusing on those. So maybe you do a timed exam, you get 15, 20 questions wrong, maybe you get a 165 or a 160. But there may have been another 10 questions you got right, but had difficulty with, or you were down to 2 and you guessed on them and got lucky. And those questions also are just as important to work on, because it very well could have gone the other way next time around. So you want to see, what tricks and traps were you falling for? Was it a trap of encouragement towards the wrong answer? Was it a trap of discouragement away from the right answer? Was it something in the stimulus or something in the question stem? You want to figure out exactly what was it about that question that gave you difficulty so that you can avoid it next time around. There are hundreds or thousands of tricks the LSAT test makers could possibly have for you on test day that they throw at you, and you're not necessarily falling for all of those, or else you'd be getting a 120, and presumably you're doing better than that. And if you aren't, that's okay too. But you want to figure out which specific tricks and traps you're falling for so that you won't make those same mistakes the next time around. And so one extremely useful thing to do is engage in detailed review of everything you got wrong and everything you had difficulty with. And you might even want to mark off anything that gives you trouble in the moment. Then before you score it, give it another shot under untimed conditions to see if the timing was the issue or if the accuracy was the issue. And no matter what, if you're getting it wrong at least once, whether timed or untimed, there is still something to be learned of that. So from that. So I recommend keeping some sort of mistake journal or mistake log of every question you've ever gotten wrong and or had difficulty with too, and return to those again and again and again. Maybe you don't necessarily do them every week or every day, but you come back to them every couple weeks or every month, and you see if you're doing better next time around.